Hello, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
I am Purnima.
Okay.
I have completed BTech IT.
Okay.
I have experience of teaching in mathematics and statistics past 10 years. I am staying at Kerpuram, Bangalore.
Okay.
Sir. I can teach
Bangalore.
6 to 10 students PUC engineering degree, both offline, online, home tuitions. Sir.
So you have registered, you have done a registration on Super Tutor?
Yeah, register, sir.
Good. So you are looking for online tuitions, students from our portal?
Yeah, both I am looking, sir. Online, offline, home tuitions, anyone. But nearby locations I am looking.
What is the fee structure you are looking for? Mainly, what is your fees?
That 1,000 rupees 1 hour or 2 hours like that, sir.
Okay. For class 10, 9 and 10?
Yeah.
That sounds great, and hope you will get lots of students from our portal. We will look forward for better relationship with you. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes,
that's
sir.
good. Thank you. And you
Okay,
can ask anything, whatever query you have for Super Tutor.
Okay, can you tell me about a Super Tutor, sir?
A Super Tutor is a platform for teachers and students. Where students will come and search for their tuition teachers. Actually, tuitions may be online tuitions, because during this pandemic most of the coaching centers have been shut down. So students will come here and will find, do the search here. Suppose he's searching for mathematics teacher, he will click on mathematics there, search mathematics. He can search with mathematics, with the location, with online offline mode, with the fee structure. Also he can give the fees bracket. He want to search a teacher within 500 to 1000 rupees, or 1000 rupees to 2000 rupees range. And even he can search for a Bangalore location, particular location where you are located. So it depends on students search engine. So whenever they search your profile, if it is a paid profile, it will be visible to the student. When it is visible to the students will see your photograph, your biodata, your subjects, and your fee structure. And there is a button called contact teacher. So student will click on contact teacher button. In that case, student email ID, phone number, and the message will go to the teacher's mail, and the same message with teacher's phone number, email ID will go to the student. So both the parties have the data, they can call each other. And when you call, the student calls you or you call the student, you discuss on the fee structure, and you take the fees in advance, and you start doing the tuitions. In that case, whatever fees you are taking from student, Super Tutor is not taking anything. So it is 100% your fees. And it is that every month you can get new students also. We are not doing any capping in terms of number of leads provided right now. So that is the way we are doing.
What are the benefits of teachers, sir?
For teachers, you are getting lots of numbers of inquiries here. We are giving you lead generation, from where you can convert all the leads into a confirmed student for your tuitions. You will get, I think, 10 to 15, 20. If you get these numbers of students, that is sufficient for your online coaching.
Okay. I will get SMS like that.
No SMS, it is mail only.
Okay.
Currently, we have set up as a mail only. In future, maybe when the technology is integrated, you may receive WhatsApp also. We will we are working on that.
Okay. What are the benefits of students, sir?
Benefits of student, you can say student can search for good number of teachers here, because online medium, suppose he's searching for maths, there are 50 or 50 numbers of teachers in Super Tutor. So he can search and review all the profiles at one place. And student does, and parents doesn't have to pay anything. There for them, the portal is free. They are not paying anything. Only teacher is paying the subscription thing. Thank you, ma'am. All the best on Super Tutor.